All right, so Hermes Agent. What is Hermes Agent? Well, you've probably heard of OpenClaw. Hermes Agent is the next evolution of that. So OpenClaw was good for a while. It obviously blew up on the internet. But now who even talks about OpenClaw anymore? I personally haven't heard about it in months. I tried to set up OpenClaw myself and I didn't really see the value in it. Whereas with Hermes, it's been a totally different story. And I'm using this inside my business every single day. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and get the most out of Hermes Agent so that you can optimize and automate your workflows in no time. So you need to go to this website, hermes-agent.nousresearch.com, and then you have a few options. So you can either download the Hermes Mac app, which will give you an experience like this. It's the typical kind of chatbot experience we're all used to, like in ChatGPT or Claude. But where you get the most value out of Hermes is actually when you install it via the terminal. So you have two options here. You can use the Windows installation command, or if you're on Mac or Linux, you can copy this command. Then you want to open a new terminal window, which you can just type in the Finder here, terminal, and it's going to bring up something like this. And then you just simply enter in that command. Then it's going to install a ton of different things on your machine. One thing you need to make sure that you have is Node.js. This is the language, the thing that Claude Code and Hermes uses to operate on your machine. And as you can see, it's pulling a ton of stuff from GitHub. And don't worry, this is all safe to install. It's been installed by hundreds of thousands of people, including myself. So I can verify that this is indeed safe. And then, so this is what needs to be done next. So now you need to select a provider. The cool thing about Hermes is that you're not limited to whatever LLM you're using. You can select from a range of different models, such as some popular models like Anthropic, OpenAI, as you can see here, but then also the cheaper models such as Qwen, Kimi, and Z.ai, which are Chinese models, and they cost a fraction of what the frontier US models cost. So what I did personally was that I just went with the Nous portal, because instead of having to worry about API keys, billing, etc., what Nous Research offer you is that you can just simply use their existing plan, something like $20 or $100 per month, depending on your usage. And then you get access to all the models that you could want in one subscription. So then if you see the actual cost per model here, like some of the big hitters like Claude Fable 5, that's costing you $8 per million tokens in and $40 per million tokens out. Whereas if you look at some of the cheaper models, specifically ones like DeepSeek here, it's a fraction of the cost. And that's exactly what I'm running my Hermes Agent off. So my recommendations here is I started off on Z.ai GLM 5.2 because it's one of the most powerful open source models out right now. But then I recently switched to DeepSeek, and I'm not actually seeing much difference, to be honest, because I think DeepSeek V4 Pro is the cheapest model to use right now. So all you would do is simply select the model, and then you can just hit enter on all of this stuff, hit enter, and then voila, you're using one of the top tier AI models at a fraction of the cost to run your Hermes agent. Next, it's to select a platform. So I'm using mine in WhatsApp simply because for me and my business, this is where my team get all of the work done. It's in WhatsApp. But you could select a different channels, such as Discord is a popular one, or Telegram, and even Slack. And it's really up to you how you use it. For me, WhatsApp made the most logical sense because that's where I spend most of my day orchestrating and managing things within my business. So you'd simply just like connect with WhatsApp and then scan a QR code to connect it. But the issue with that is that you need a separate WhatsApp account. So I went to this website, Hushed, and I got a second phone number. It costs like $6-7 per month. And then effectively added another number on my WhatsApp and then linked it with my Hermes account. Okay, now we've set up the Hermes agent, it's very important to build out a SOUL.md. So what is a SOUL.md? If you think of a Claude.md as the instructions that load every time you start up Claude Code, well, a SOUL.md is the exact same thing, but for Hermes agent. So very similar to a Claude.md, you're going to give it a identity. I gave mine the persona of Hermione Granger because the name Hermes, Hermione, similar. And then I've clearly outlined each person on my team's tasks and responsibility. And then also I've got, stuff such as account safety, which rooms it's in. So like which channels I've added it to in WhatsApp, and I've added it to around 7 on my WhatsApp, one for each team member, then one for Instagram, one for the general chat, and then one for content research. And then this is completely customizable. There's no like real right or wrong way to do it. But then things such as style, for example, I've briefed Hermes to talk very briefly in dry British English. And it's basically my operations manager. I've also told it what to avoid, the defaults, and what it knows. So this is really effective because basically it's your opportunity to customize your Hermes agent completely to your needs. And to set this up, to be honest, all of this was done within Claude Code, because once you have the installation configured, then you can go over to Claude Code and basically point it at the folder that you're working on in Hermes. So what I would do here is just simply talk with Claude Code and say, okay, I've set up Hermes Agent. Let's personalize it in this way. Let's get it added to these WhatsApp channels. And this is really effective because whenever I'm broadcasting to my team, I just say, Hermes, let's send them this update. Send them this GitHub repo, send them this post to schedule on social media. But also where it gets really effective for me personally is that I've connected it with my tools such as Notion and Apify. I find just having a really good Notion hub is way more effective. For example, in here I have an SOP hub, the team OS, the knowledge, basically everybody's guide on how we're operating within the business. So then Hermes can one, effectively pick this up and then also log stuff on people's task lists. For example, if I head over to Norbert's, we have a task board for him of things that he needs to do, which have all been logged by Hermes directly to Notion just by giving it access. And another one of my favorite ways to connect Hermes all through Claude Code, just simply by talking to it in natural language and saying, hey, I want Hermes to have access to these things, is Apify and Gemini. Because then we have a content research channel on WhatsApp. We send in social media links. Hermes will analyze the link by scraping it with Apify, then using Gemini to analyze anything multimodal, measure the engagement rate of that post, and then tell us if this is viral, if this is post-worthy, which is a really effective way to do your content strategy. Because prior to this, I was living in my Notes app. It was absolute hell. Whereas with Hermes, it's literally systematic and can be done in a way that means nothing slips through the cracks. And this is really effective, all just by using MCPs and APIs, chucking those into Claude Code in a safe, secure way, and then getting Hermes to leverage them. Another really effective way is that I can then use Claude Code via Hermes in WhatsApp. So, you could use Claude Remote Control here, but then using Hermes, I can literally text it on WhatsApp, which for me personally is a way more intuitive way to speak with Claude Code. And then it will allow me to do stuff from WhatsApp all within Claude on my machine. And the cool thing about this is the permissions levels. So I can add Hermes into any WhatsApp group chat and get it to be my assistant, and it won't be able to reply to other people because you set who it can reply to. And that's a simple matter of just copy and pasting those numbers in, letting Hermes know which groups is in and who it should reply to. And then it will change the permissions within Hermes so that it can then reply to these people. And for example, with those permissions, I'm the only person who can reply to Hermes and get it to use Claude Code. Versus everybody can use Hermes to update Notion, etc., because those are lower risk things. But using Claude Code via Hermes, that only I can do because it runs on my machine. So it is simple to set up. All you need is to follow the installation steps that I showed you, then leverage Claude Code to basically do a lot of the setup for you, and then just a basic understanding of which tools you need and MCPs to put in, because it is effectively an employee. The first day of using Hermes, it was pretty bad, but after 2-3 weeks of using it almost every single day, it's now got a lot smarter. And that's all simply through iterating with it in natural language, but then also providing it with WhatsApp chat exports and allowing it to identify when things worked and things didn't. So I hope that this guide helps. If you want the full guide on Hermes Agent, we go from beginner to advanced, then just click the link in the description below and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.